Hi everybody! Tonight I have an inexpensive, easy one-pan dinner for you. So first we're going to start off with honey. The recipe calls for 1 cup, which looks like a lot. So put 1 cup of honey. Try to get all of it out. And then we need 1/4 cup of the soy sauce, and I chose the lower sodium soy sauce, but you can use whichever one you like. So I'm going to give this a stir. And then I'm going to add my seasonings next to go ahead and mix in all the sauce together. That honey is still very sticky. Okay. It says we need some garlic powder. It said a tablespoon, but I'm just going to toss them in. Of course, I love the garlic. So. And then some ground ginger. It said a tablespoon of this too. That one, it's not really coming out very well. Might overdo it on the ginger, I don't know. There we go. Ooh, that smells good. And then a little bit of the pink Himalayan salt. Okay, see if you can see what it's looking like so far. Okay, and I'm going to start with maybe the onions. So I've got 1 red onion. And these made me cry so bad, so I didn't chop them very well. So I figured I'd start with these first. Maybe I can break them apart. Yeah, my eyes do not like these. Whoo, that's strong. And they're not wanting to break apart. That's okay. And then we got, this was 2 heads of broccoli. And then last, it said 1 pound of chicken. I just used a small container of the chicken tenderloins. I just used the whole thing. So dump that in. Mix all that. Okay. And dump everything on the pan. Hopefully not on the counter. Oh, no. That's okay. I will clean that later. But for now, I'm going to spread this around. Okay, and then I'm gonna top mine with some sesame seeds. I'm gonna top dinner, the counter, the floor, everything will get sesame seeds. So the oven is preheated to 400 degrees and the recipe said about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll be right back. This was in the oven for about 30 minutes and now it's time to eat. Let's get a little bit of everything. Got the chicken and the red onion and the broccoli and that yummy sauce. Mmm. I really like that. I'll probably make a little bit of brown rice for the side, but this is good.